This is something that every business wishes was available with WhatsApp API, and we just made it possible. This here is the inbox of Spur, and you can see we are talking to this customer. The last message was sent from our side on September 6th, and there has been no message from the customer since then. And we all know that there is a limitation with WhatsApp API, that if there has been no message from the customer in the last 24 hours, you cannot send them a message. And you have to always use a message template like this to initiate the conversation. But yeah, this is very annoying and time consuming. So what we have done is you can just type in whatever you want here, and as soon as you do that, we will send a utility template to the customer with an image, and whatever you have written will go as the text on top of the image. How crazy is that? Let's try it out. So I'll just say, hey, how can we help? Something like that. And as you can see, it went as a utility message with the image, with what I wrote on top of the image. As simple as that. Now, where is this useful, you may ask? This is useful whenever you are starting a new conversation with the lead. So just like your WhatsApp, you type in someone's number, you can send them any message you want. Similarly, now you can send any message to anyone if you're talking them for the first time. The second use case would be you follow up with customers on support tickets. It happens. You reply to a customer, but you never hear a reply back from the customer. Or let's say the customer has replied back to you, but you did not, reply back to them, and now you need to reply. This here will be very useful in such ad hoc support tickets. And lastly, it will also help you re-engage with inactive customers. We hope you find this useful, and yeah, happy using.